How to turn on or off character preview on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the general option and tap on it. Inside the general menu, scroll down to find and tap on keyboard. This section allows you to customize various aspects of your keyboard's behavior and feedback. Here, scroll down and find the character preview feature. Simply tap on the switch to turn it on as shown. To disable it, tap the toggle switch again to turn it off. So, you can enable or disable these settings at any time to suit your typing preference. Following these steps, you can easily turn on or off on character preview on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.